Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is a tour of the Math Application Schoology course. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like and where you can click on to find different things. So hopefully when you open Schoology, you'll see all of your courses here. Yours probably looks different than mine, but here is Math Applications with Perry the Platypus. And when you open this, you'll see that you have these buttons. These buttons are functional buttons. You also have folders underneath. So let's say I want to know what the weekly lesson plan looks like. I'll click on weekly lesson plan and it'll take me here. The past lesson planners will be in this folder and you'll be able to see those, but the one for this week will be here, and you should be able to see it'll open up and it tells you what we're doing every single day. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all of that business. So there's the weekly lesson planner button. We'll go back to our main page. We do have a digital copy of our textbook. So if you leave your textbook at school, you don't need your textbook. You can find it here on your Schoology course. And up here, if you know what page you want to go to, you can just type that in and it'll take you there. If that's not the exact right page, you can forward or back. You can make it full screen or smaller, whatever you need. That's your math book. We will not be checking our written practice for a homework grade. You will be checking to make sure that you understand. So the answer key for the written practice that you're assigned is right here. And the way that this works is, I don't know why it's signing me in, but let's say you're looking for lesson 15. This says section lesson 12. Let's see if we can find 15. It really more so goes by the page. So let's see, this is written practice. I'm not sure which written practice this is. It's the written practice on page 111. And then you'll pick a problem and it'll show you the answer and it'll explain how it got the answer. Sometimes these answers are wrong, but it is a good check to see, you know, does my answer line up with the answer that is on this page? If it does, great. If it doesn't, then we need to discuss it. So that's the answer key for written practice button. IXL will be using this this year, every day actually, for Diagnostic. So you'll come here and you'll sign in. And we'll talk about that the very first day that you sign in, and you'll be able to see the you'll go to the Diagnostic, and yours looks way different than mine. I'm so sorry. So we'll have that discussion, but at least you know how to get to it. Investigations happen every 10 lessons. Your first investigation will be after lesson 10. You can't see this right now because this is my Schoology and this is unpublished, but this is where your investigations will be. Just click the investigation button. Lessons. So the lessons have lesson folders that have about 5 lessons in each folder. So when you open them up, you'll see that each folder has several different things. You've got your lesson video notes, the link to the lesson video, the practice set video, and the starred problems video. We'll be doing practice set and starred problems in class. However, if you're absent, or if you don't remember what we said, or if you need to go back and look at it, that's what these are there for. So that'll be for every lesson. You'll have those 4 items. Okay. Let's see. So that's lessons. We do a live recording of all of our lessons. As a matter of fact, we do it through Teams. So if ever you're at home and you want to remote in to Teams, you just click on it and join the team. You're already part of it, but either way. So if you need to go back and watch a recording of a class, you'll click here and it should take you to a bad gateway. That's not good. It should take you to Teams. I'll go ahead and fix that. Or if this button needs to go away, you can access it through your Math Applications team, which I'll be doing a different video on. And then lastly, we've got our test reviews, which are here. Each test review folder will have 4 different files in it. It'll have the test review, the key to that review, and then an alternative review and the alternative review key. So all 4 of those should be in here. Yep. So those are all the buttons, and that's Schoology. If you scroll down here, we have our first day of school tour. That will go away after about the first couple of weeks, but we have student resources, the weekly lesson planners. So if you don't want to use the button, you can just scroll down and use the folder, test reviews, test investigations, and lessons. And I think that is all that we have in the math applications Schoology. Please let me know if you have any questions.